Ravi sells 2 watches at 240 each. On one he gains 20% and he loses 20 on the other. Find the overall gain or loss. You see, gain percentage is 20 and conversion of this 20 into fraction is very simple. It will give 1 by 5 and this part is the gain and this part is the CP. Now to arrive at SP, since it is gain, SP will be more, therefore SP will be CP plus gain, which is nothing but 5 plus 1 gives 6. Therefore, now this is one fraction and the other fraction is SP by CP, which is nothing but 6 by CP is 5. The next fraction is for loss percentage, and to remove this percentage all we need to do is write it in this way, and therefore it would be 1 by 5 once again, but this is loss and this is CP. When there is loss, SP will be CP minus loss, and therefore it is 5 minus 1 comes to 4, and the equation for this will come to SP by CP equation will come to 4 is the SP and 5 is the CP. This is the fraction for loss, this is the fraction for gain. Now the overall ratio will be, multiplying these two, I have 25 and 24. So the new ratio is equal to SP by CP ratio is 24 by 25. Very quickly we can come to the conclusion that SP is less than CP and CP minus SP will be always loss. So there is an overall loss, and the amount is, in double quick time we can say it is 1 rupee loss and for 25 CP, and to arrive at the percentage it is nothing but 4% loss. And finally the total SP is, for one watch it is 240, for 2 watches it is 480. The total SP ratio is 24 parts is 480 rupees. Then what about 25 parts? That will give us the CP, or we can even directly arrive at one part, that will be the loss directly. 25 into 480 by 24, once 20, and 500 is the CP, 480 is the SP, and loss is 20. We can even directly arrive at one part, that will give the direct loss amount. One part, 24 parts is 480, one part is 1 into 480 by 24, and this will directly give us the loss amount. Here we have subtracted to arrive at the loss, but this will directly give. So ratio is a very convenient method to attend the problem without going into the complications of formulae and also complicated divisions and multiplications. This is simple, and it happens is between single digit numbers, and hence it is very fast and easy and shortcut method.